Hey guys, so I haven't filmed a video all day today. I've just been really busy. Today was my actual softball practice. Well, yeah. Today I had a chance to do my actual softball practice. Like it was like 10 o'clock this morning was my actual first softball practice, but then I couldn't go because it started pouring rain and the fields are wet. So sorry guys. So anyways, oh yeah, but I couldn't go because it started pouring rain, and I still have to do a Miller's video, a baby video, and yeah. So I think I'm gonna start the Miller's video, the Miller's vlog for the day after this video, like after I upload it and stuff like that. Um, but it's their. I think it's gonna be their fourth vlog. Yeah, it's gonna be their fourth vlog. Um, so yeah, I did one vlog the night that I started, the second vlog the day after, the third vlog yesterday on Easter, and today's the fourth vlog. Yay! So yeah, and Ella is looking so cute today. I was gonna do a morning routine, but then I went to practice and then it was canceled. So look how cute Ella looks. Ah! So I made this pacifier for her with a ring pop. Oops. And I kind of rearranged things because I cleaned off my dresser, and I kind of rearranged the nursery, like the nursery part of my bedroom. Look how cute she is. She has her hair in a little half her up thing that I did with just like a little rubber band, and then she has her cute little passy. Do you want that back? And then she has her cute little passy. And then she has this pink, like heart onesie. It's more Valentine-ish, this onesie. And then she just has, these little cute pink pants. And then these little booties. They have little birds on them. So, yeah. And sorry, I'm probably going to do, videos tomorrow. But I don't think Wednesday, because Wednesday I have practice. Because if it doesn't rain on Wednesday, that would be great. My brother went to practice today because it was only raining this morning. It cleared up, and my brother went at 6 o'clock. I was going to do my vlog at 6 o'clock, but then my brother had baseball practice. I love my little baby. I love you. Say hello. Take that passy out. She always has the pacifier in, like, a lot. She has it in a lot. I wrote her name on it. I don't know if you guys can see. But I wrote her name on it, and it's especially for her. Because with the, Audrey doesn't really take them. And with the silicone baby, guys, I am not saying what I'm getting yet, because I don't know. And I had done the silicone video on my channel. But I'm not getting that. I'm not getting her anymore. And I'm not saying what I'm getting. So, because I don't know what I'm getting yet. Her hair is so soft. So, but it is so windy today. It's hot, but windy at the same time. Today we were at my brother's baseball practice, and we were cheering on the batters, and it was so cold. Sorry guys, I have to put her back in her bassinet. And so I made room arrangements. I put all, and I have my brother's Easter basket because he said I can have it. Oh, look at her! She's just staring up so cutely. So I have like the diapers here, the Sophia the first thing here. My brother's Easter basket with like the powder, the body wash and stuff like that I sometimes use. And then the Sweet Honesty powder. And then I have a little candy right here from Easter. She doesn't eat it. She just likes hold it. and I'm gonna go get something to eat because I have not eaten. I went to my friend's house today. So this morning, first I woke up at 9 o'clock, and then my thing got canceled, and then I had to go to a doctor's appointment. Then I got home, changed Ella. I brought Ella to my friend's house, and my friend loved her. So I was at my friend's house for like 4 hours, and then I came home. My brother got ready. I ate breakfast this morning, and I went for lunch. But then I came home. My brother got ready, and I wasn't. And then we went to his baseball practice. So let me go get something to eat real quick. But I'll be right back. But, I got a chicken cutlet. I know it's probably really, really weird. I just start recording with a chicken cutlet in my hand. That's my mom. Yeah. So, I don't know. My cat's somewhere in here, I think. Oh my goodness, look at her! She's just staring up. She is so cute. And my phone is somewhere. I don't know where it is. Oh, it's right there. You see? Right. Right. This is probably just gonna be like a. It's already 7 minutes. But I think I'm gonna get back to you guys when I'm done eating this. And then I'm probably gonna get a soda. Because my mom said I can get a soda. So yeah. This is so good. Why is my window open? Oh, so Audrey has her special cloth diaper that she always uses. And it's drying right now. It's drying right now, so after it's done drying, I'm gonna put it on her. But right now, hold on. I gotta finish this little piece. Sorry, guys. Okay, sorry. So, if you guys were wondering why the Millers are gonna have 4 vlogs today, I only have 3, is because I started them before me. Because, like, I watch a lot, I mean a lot of, the Jetsons with Kelly Maple. So, all I ever watch is, like, the Jetsons vlogs, because I think they're really, 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 really interesting. So, all I ever watch is the Jetsons vlogs. So, I kind of like it, but I just discovered, like, when I started the Millers vlogs, that's when I got my little people and stuff like that. But then the day after, like the day that I did their second vlog. So I don't. If this is confusing, then sorry, but The night before I started their second vlog, I did their first vlog, but then I forgot to upload it that night. So I uploaded it in the morning. And then I did the second vlog that day that I uploaded the first vlog from that night. And yesterday I did their third vlog, and yesterday I did my second vlog, the Easter vlog. And today I'm doing, this is the vlog for today, and then I'm doing the Miller's vlog for today, but it's gonna just go up like, I don't know how late it's gonna go up, but like it's dark out right now. So, yeah. But and then I have a baby video to do. Oh, like I was saying before. So like I was saying about how when her diaper dries, I'm gonna put it back on her because it was wet one time and she started playing with the orange Play-Doh, and the Play-Doh kind of stained it. But right now she's not wearing a diaper. Let's see. But I'm going to put a diaper on her um after her diaper dries.